Due to the present economic challenges and the rate at which processed tomato and fresh tomatoes have gone beyond the reach of the common man, most women have devised a cheaper means to prepare stew. I recently found out that most restaurants and food sellers now use pumpkin to prepare stew, and it still maintains that tomato taste. This is what pumpkin look like. And for this stew, they normally use dry pumpkin. This is the dry pumpkin that will be used. So they use dry pumpkin with dry tomato. The pumpkin and the tomato is usually in the ratio of 60-40. 60% should be pumpkin while 40% should be tomato. This is the tomato, dried tomato. Soak the dry pumpkin and dried tomato in hot water. Then wash thoroughly. The dried tomato normally comes with sand and some dirty particles, so ensure you wash thoroughly. This is the result after washing thoroughly. The thicker one that looks like meat is actually the pumpkin, while the tomato is the one that look more brownish. These are the pumpkin. Transfer into a bowl. Add pepper, onion, and any other thing you normally add to your stew. After this, just blend the whole thing and it will come out nicely just like your tomato paste. After this, go ahead and fry the paste the way you normally fry your tomato paste. This video is actually for experimental purpose. This is my first time of preparing pumpkin stew. This is the final result of the stew. The result came out nicely and it tastes very, very good. It actually tastes like fresh tomato. And don't forget, pumpkin contains most of the vitamins and minerals our body need. It has some good aroma and it tastes better. It still maintains that stew color. I decided to use my mind to eat mine. The first taste was out of this world. Man, it tastes like raw tomato stew. This stew is extremely cheap, but it's tasty and highly nutritious. Now I understand why restaurant owners and food sellers now result in using pumpkin to make stew. Don't forget, pumpkin is also used to make variety of soups and other food ingredients.
I'm not finished my own. Then that's one and chocolate. I need somebody dragging somebody. I'm doing for some already. Then the thing I'm pick. He now do for